Hello and welcome to the TaxTron web tutorial video series. In this video we will guide you through navigating the convenient and efficient tools found in the top left navigation bar. So, let's dive right in. Let's get started by logging into TaxTron web. Click on T1 Clients and open the existing client named Smith John. Instead of creating a new return, let's roll forward the 2022 tax return to enhance our comprehension of the navigation bar. Following the roll forward, you will notice the new return open in a separate tab, allowing you to easily switch back to the main page or work on multiple tax returns simultaneously. So, let's explore the components of the navigation bar. The first shortcut you will see is the Year of Return, located in the top left corner. Next to it, you can check whether the person owes or getting a refund. Let's input some income for Smith. As a result, you will observe that he owes $1,472.52, displayed in red, whereas the refund appears in a shade of green. Moving on to the next icon, Return Summary. This provides a detailed tax return summary, including the client's personal information and presenting additional tax details in a tabular format, offering a swift overview of income, deductions, non-refundable tax credits, net federal and provincial tax payable, and miscellaneous details such as RSP limits. You can also print this summary using the designated button. Now, let's explore that 5-year comparative review icon. This feature breaks down essential tax details from both federal and provincial returns for the current year and compares them with figures from the past 4 years of taxation. As this comparative review gives us an overview of Smith's employment income since the tax year 2019, with further comparisons for deductions, non-refundable tax credits, benefits, and more for the last 5 years. Over in the top right corner, you'll spot an icon labeled Client Notes. This nifty feature allows you to add personalized notes to your tax return. Whether it's a comment about the return itself or a message for the future viewer, you've got the space to make it. The best part? These notes seamlessly roll forward each year, ensuring you never miss any crucial details for your client. Take Smith's tax return, for instance. I utilized the Client Notes feature to attach a note regarding his medical expenses receipt and the amount of rent he paid in the 2019 tax year. Lastly, we have the Line 101 return and total from T1 General for the taxpayer's income, offering a concise figure for income. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and follow us on social media.